time to act. The world is changing all around us. To continue to thrive as a human being over the next 10 years and beyond, we must take charge on simple satisfaction that your boss, ex, neighbor, professor, the guy that cut you off in the highway, the company that keeps sending junk to your mailbox, will get what they deserve. We must get ready for tomorrow today. That's what our vision is all about. It creates a long-term destination in the short term by granting justice. Karma takes too long. Glitmail.com will get it done now.